Hey guys, I'm sitting outside. I want to tell you, I'm fixing to go up to the Martin house. I know you've heard me talk about that so many times on my videos. So we're going to go to the Martin house. We're going to take a tour of Holly's Airbnb. At the end of our video, we're going to leave you a link so that you can make reservations if you're coming to Tennessee, or maybe you're just passing through and you need to stop and rest. This is a lovely home to take a good rest in. It's located about 2 blocks from downtown Martin. We do have the University of Tennessee here at Martin. We have a wonderful rodeo program there. Lot of great things here in Martin. But if you want more information about how to book it and stay there, we're going to leave a link at the end of the video so that you can get booked. Let's go. We're going to see how Holly has taken a home and turned it into an Airbnb. Maybe you're thinking about doing that. Holly has thrifted almost everything in the house, or people have given it to her and asked her if she wanted it for her Airbnb because they didn't want to use it anymore. They were tired of it and wanted to give it away. She's also found things on the side of the road. She picks up, she cleans it up, she paints it. Her dad helps her rebuild it or reconstruct it or, sturdy it up a little bit if it's broken. So you can always do things like that with things you find on the side of the road. So come along with me today, and we're going to see her beautiful little dog, Lulu. And we're going to take a nice tour of the Airbnb. The Martin house is what it's called. And we're going to do that. So let's jump in our car. Let's take off to the Martin house. I'm uptown in Martin today. This is where my daughter has an Airbnb, and I just wanted to pop over and see how she was doing. She's over here cleaning. This is our First Baptist Church in Martin. Of course, as soon as I start the video, a loud vehicle would come by. We're going to go in and I'm going to show you her Airbnb and her sweet, precious little dog, little Lulu. She's a Sheltie and she's just precious. Here we go. Let's go in and see what she's up to. All right, guys, let's go. Hey, Lulu, what you doing? Hey, darling. What's it doing? Hey, baby. Grammy, what you doing? Isn't she the sweetest thing you've ever seen? Okay, this is the living room right when we come in. Holly's got some beautiful gallery walls. Got some beautiful, beautiful artwork. Good vibes only. This is a photograph of the house years ago when it had railing around the porch. My daughter Holly has done all the decorating herself. I think she's done an outstanding job. This is the living room. Little bar cart. Alan put these French doors up. They were original to the house, but they had been taken down and he put them back up for her. china cabinet. This is the bedroom. This door is a half bath. Here's the sink. Isn't that gorgeous? Holly, I love your artwork.
Thank you.
It's so pretty. Just so pretty. Wow, this mirror in here is gorgeous. I love what you did on the back of the commode with the toilet tissue, how you got it covered. So pretty. Everything you need right here. So pretty. And it's a 2-bedroom. Here's our other bedroom right here. Oh, this is a day bed and a full bed. Oh, I love this quilt. So pretty. Oh, I just love it. So pretty. The iris is the state flower of Tennessee. Those are just beautiful. I wonder who did that. So beautiful. What a beautiful watercolor. Really pretty. Oh, what a cute little rocker. So pretty. These are some pillowcases that Holly framed. Such a neat idea. Somebody put a lot of work into that. Wow. All right, let's pop in the kitchen. A little eating area right here. Washer, dryer, laundry room. Now we're going to go into the kitchen. Oh, I just love your coffee bar. So cute. Hello, coffee. Yes. But first, coffee. I say that's for sure. Mm-mm. Get all these pretties up top. Hey, Lulu. Thank you so much for the tour because we just had so much fun talking to you and playing with you while we were on the tour today. And we appreciate you being so nice while we were here. We had such a good time at the Airbnb. I've had such a good time, Holly. I think I should have brought my pajamas and my pillow. Maybe I'll come back and stay one day. And maybe you and Lulu can stay and we'll just have a nice little party some night. Bye bye, Lulu. We love you. Thanks again, Holly.